Good afternoon, it's Carolyn here from Waiheke Island down under in New Zealand. I'm just picking some hortopetto leaves to put into my oxtail soup. This hortopetto is PVR. What's PVR, you're asking? It's plant variety rights. And what that means is this is a special hortopetto that somebody has created, and they've got a copyright on it, you could say. So how does that happen? This isn't the natural hortopetto that you will find in the bush. This is one that somebody has made by combining two different hortopettos, and they've come up with this one. So this is their creation, and then they've got a copyright on it, which means that I can't propagate this or make more and sell it. When you're in the garden centre next time, have a look at the plant labels, and if you see something unusual, have a look on the label and it will have PVR, and you'll now know that that means plant variety rights.